Okay guys, let's go ahead and pull out our Annie's crochet kit. This is my second month right here. So let's look and see what all comes in this. Okay, so for the second part, here's the colors they sent me. Boy, aren't they pretty? And it comes in this really pretty blue bag is what I get this in. This is once a month. Here is my first month of the Moroccan. Let's move the basket out of the way. There's the first month. And that's the second month. This is the yarn that I have left from the first month. Right there. And then there's nothing else in the basket. Okay. Okay, so I will tell you a little bit about the yarn. Okay, so this is the paper they give you. It says Kit 2. And the instructions are on the inside. And guys, you also get a video tutorial of this stitch. So that if you're not sure how to work something, they actually have taken their time out and made a video each month that you receive this to help you along to create this beautiful. So you're not just on your own. You're not just buying the kit and then given these instructions and then, yeah, see it says you can access video tutorials at annieskitclubs.com/login. And there you are. So there's really no reason why you can't do it. They taken their time out to make a video for you to help you. When you log into your account, all of your kits will show up, and all you do is click on the kit that you are working on at the time. Once you click on the kit that you want, you will see that you have the pattern there and the right-handed and left-handed video instructions. And once you click on the video that you want to watch, all you do is hit the play button.
Annie's Moroccan Tile Afghan Club video tutorial for kit number 2. I'm Lena Squagerson, and I'm very excited to be your guide as we make this stunning Afghan.
Into these back bars creates this ridge in the front, leaving these 2 loops unworked here in the front of our work, giving a nice transition between the square and the triangle. So I will work around
today. It looks like the 4 corners around the square that I have right now, that's what we're going to be working on from what I saw on the inside. Okay, so the yarn that they have given us, this is Premier Anti-Peeling. It's exclusive. It's everyday worsted. 90 yards in here. It's a medium 4 weight. Machine wash warm. Tumble dry normal. And let's see. This color is aquamarine. And yes, it is very soft. Look at that. This is really good yarn. This color on this one is saffron. Very pretty. And of course, this color here is Mediterranean. Last 2 here, those are cream. So that's the colors we're going to be working on for kit 2. And I will check out the video and let you guys know as I go along with this. You're getting all the yarn that you need, the instructions that you need, and you get a video tutorial of it. Plus you get nice yarn, anti-peeling yarn. So let's go ahead and see what I've done for kit number 2. Okay guys, I finished kit number 2, and this is what it looks like. The 4 triangles that you see on each of the sides there on the corners, those is for kit number 2. Okay. So the 4 triangles there that you see, on the sides, which by being on the sides, it makes them turn into the corners. And I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, that is kit number 2. And let's see if I can get a little closer to it. Kind of show you a little bit more detail with it. That is all the yarn that is left from kit 1 and kit 2. Now, whenever I did kit 2, it did have me to use the blue yarn the darkest blue yarn that you see over there. It did have me to use that as part of this border. But yeah, this is kit number 2 so far. And guys, I'll have to tell you that it was a lot of fun doing this, and I am enjoying this. I am learning tons of new stitches and ways of crocheting that I didn't even know existed. I'm learning new stuff. I'm learning different ways of doing certain crochet stitches that I didn't do that way. And so that's really nice, and I love the video tutorial. When I did kit number 1, which was just the big square in the middle, now it looks like a diamond, that right there, I was able to do just the pattern only. And that's it right there, the big center part. And but whenever I got for kit number 2, isn't it pretty? Has the little gold saffron, I think is what that's called. Anyway, I just thought it was so pretty. But when I got to that, I did have to do the video tutorial. And I will show you guys a little small clip of what a video tutorial is like on these. So, yeah, if you are interested in something like this, I just want to show you exactly what you get each month. And that is, you get your yarn, you get the pattern. There are 2 patterns there. That's kit 1 and kit 2. And you get video instructions. And the video instructions were so good and crystal clear and up close, very up close. I don't know if I could have gotten through kit 2 without the video. So one of the things that I did on this is I watched her do one of the sides here. And then when she did that, I went and I did all 3 sides at the same time. So like as she did 1 row, I would do 1 row on all 3 sides. And the only thing that I had to do different was because this kit only came with 2 cream. And so since there's 3 sides that were unworked, I needed 3 creams. So I had 1 cream on each of the 2 sides. And then I had a cream from kit 2 that I used for the 3rd side. So it worked out perfect. That way I didn't have to watch the video 4 times. And it went by really fast. This is the cream that I have left from between kit 1 and kit 2. Is this right here. So far I've used 3 of the creams for this kit. So yeah, so I am an affiliate with Annie's, and Annie's does send this to me once a month, and in exchange, I work this up and I show this to you guys and tell you guys, my feelings on working it, and so that you guys can see exactly the progress of this blanket being put together. And I really am having a lot of fun. And then also in return, I have to make a video and post pictures and things like that in exchange for getting this kit once a month. But yeah, I will leave a link below. And there's also 50% off your first order in case you do, think that you would like to try this. So here are your color options. You get Casablanca, Floating Lanterns, and Midnight Mosaic. Now this one here is the Casablanca. This is the one that I am working on. Now this one here is the Floating Lanterns. And the third one here, this is called the Midnight Mosaic. Annie's not only has a crochet kit club, they also have this in knit for all you knitters out there. As of right now online, when I pulled this up, there are at least 25 monthly kits to pick from. There's like knit, crochet, charm packs, farmhouse, fabrics, you name it, they got it. Now this here, when you go to sign up, it has you where you can customize your membership by picking your color options, and it has the price of what it's going to be. And of course, you will always at the checkout be able to, on your first shipment, be able to get 50% off of that first order. This kit is called the Casablanca Afghan. There. But yeah, that's it, guys. Like I said, if you are interested, then I will leave the link below and you can click on that and, you know, check this out. See if you might want to do something like this. And, you know, just watch the video tutorials and just have fun with it and look at it as learning something new. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.